All right, guys. Oh, let's get down here. Now, I already have the spring. I already have the new spring. And the new one of these in. Oh, ow, my head. Okay, we got that in right. Now the next thing we got to put in is this little rubber cup. Oh man, my nose, I'll tell you guys, dripping as usual. Alright, so we don't have to worry about that seating. That should seat. Alright, let's see if we can get this man in here. This dude in. See if I can push that top down a little bit without damaging it. There we go, we got her in. Okay. Almost thought my nose was bleeding there, but it's not. It's just the, you know what, coming out. So as you see, we got that in. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys can't see that. Okay, we got that little black part in. Now I'm pushing on it, and it seems to be working properly. Okay, now the next thing is this dude right here. This goes with the O-ring facing out. And I double and triple check everything. You know what? That does seem like it's a little stronger. This, oh guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this damn flashlight like this, because I got to do a snap ring deal here. Because we have our washer, and then I have a snap ring I got to put in. And yes, I have a snap ring tool. Man, is this going to be a bitch. Guys, you know what? I'm going to pause you guys, and I'll restart you after I get these three parts in. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Like a moron, I didn't take my cap off. Let me get my damn cap off here. I wonder if that'll take some of the tension off that. Oh, come on, you bastard. Why did my light just go off? Alright, battery's dead. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get a light. Hold on. Alright. I haven't started on my living room yet. I'm gonna start on my living room on Thursday. I had to buy a drywall jack. Yeah, I have no idea why my My little flashlight just turned off. Batteries must be dead, right? Okay, anyway, we have our snap ring tool ready. Now, let me see if I can take pressure off these. I have to get my other tools. I'll tell you, it's easier to take these screws off with this, with the foot pedal off. Much easier. I'm also going to try to get new fasteners. Because the heads on these are worn down a little bit. You know, and eventually what's going to happen is I'm not going to be able to get them out. Okay. All right, now let's see if that's any better. You know what? I gotta put something on top of this dude so it doesn't squirt me in the face. Guys, I'll tell you what. Seems like it's definitely stronger. The only thing I don't like is my plunger's not going in all the way. Because it's not going in where the snap ring is going to seat. That's where my snap ring seats. Because I have to put this little washer in and the snap ring on top of that. So I don't understand that at all. Got a little bit more fluid out. I'm going to pause you guys. All right, it's going in. It's going in all the way. I used just a little bit of force, and it's definitely going in. But I'll tell you what, this is going to be an MFer, boy. It's going to be an MFer. So, it's going to take me a while, guys. Till then, I'm going to pause you. Alright, what you guys are going to have to do is you're going to have a tool. Okay, something like this. I'm using this as a 1/4 inch ratchet. And what you're going to have to do is put your snap ring over, put that washer over, that's what you're going to have to do. So let me pause you guys, and I'm going to see if I can get this snap ring on. Guys, I got it in semi. I got it, everything in the housing, but it's not in its little groove. So I'm resting my arms, and I'm going to give it another shot. Okay, guys, I got it in, and I'm going to tell you there's a trick to doing this. You have to use your brake foot lever, and I used my old push rod to seat the plunger, because if you try to do it without this, you ain't never going to make it. So I used this to push that sucker in, and the snap ring went in on the first try. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, and you're going to see where that has to be seated at. Okay. You see how that's seated in there? And I'm going to double check. And then what you can do too is you can use the screwdriver in case of like the edges of the snap ring aren't in the groove, and you just give it a little tap. Now let's make sure we're in there. I'm pretty sure we're in the groove. Let's take this out now. This is the old push rod. Take my screw out. I'm going to clean this bolt too before I put this bolt back in. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see my top of my bald head. Alright, we made 100% sure that that's in there. Let me give you guys another close-up here. I was down here struggling. I even used a marker. I was pushing it in, and I was trying with my snap ring tool. I was down here probably for about 45 minutes. And then I gave up. And I looked at the directions, and I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to use that brake lever as a tool to push that thing in. And it, bam, just like that. Very first try, it worked. Now we have as our plunger, or the push rod cover. Put that sucker in there. This is a big difference from the old one too. It's a really big difference. Like I said, make 100% sure that snap ring is in that very first groove, or you ain't gonna have no rear brakes. Now, even with this, that little groove there has to go on the outside groove. There. That was actually easy as pie. And they even give you a master cylinder. The only thing they don't give me is these little screws, guys. I want to replace these little lid screws. Oh man. Okay, well that's the guts. And I'm not going to clean this after all, but I am going to put some Loctite on it. Let's pause you guys up here while I get my Loctite on it. Alright guys, I bought a drywall jack And I'm going to, because I have to do my living room ceiling over after the fire. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Where's my damn hole at? Man, where is the damn hole? And why are you giving me a hard time now? Let's try it like this. Oh my God in heaven, really? Alright, let's rotate it up here. Let's try that. Oh my God. Okay, let's take this thing out. Take the bolt out, right? Nothing easy, man, I'll tell you. Nothing easy, guys. I guess that's it right there. Now where's my push rod? Here it is, okay. Oh man. I don't know if I can get this sucker in like this, guys. I think I might have. Hope I didn't fuck up. Oh, there we go. We got it. Why is this thing giving me such a hard time? Huh? Oh, man. I'll tell you, this is in such an awkward position, guys. I don't have not one freaking rag handy. Okay. Think we got it. Yeah, that's in. Everything is in. Oh man, now do you guys understand why motorcycle mechanics charge so damn much? Man, I can't even turn this like this. I can't even turn it. You know, I have a feeling it's not fucking even catching. You know, sometimes you're better off, guys, taking all this shit off. Are you catching, you bitch? Yeah, she is catching. Oh, man. All right, let's put this back on. What the fuck? I don't see it moving. No, there's something wrong here, guys. That should have, yeah, that's not catching. I know what's wrong. I don't have this on. That's why it ain't catching. No. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay. Fuck me. Alright, now where is the little hole for you now? Oh boy. Oh man, I'll tell you, I can't believe I did all that. Thank God I had enough sense to figure that out. Boy, shame I couldn't put my hand in there like that. Okay, that's catching now. I felt it. Oh boy. Guys, I really miss my dog, man. I mean, I really miss him. He'd have been in here right now with me. Yeah, I really miss him. Okay. Everything seems cool. I have to get the torque setting for this, guys. Okay, now it's on right. So we're going to leave it just like that. I'll tell you, that even feels better. Oh, guys, it seems like it's okay. Yeah, it seems like it's all right. I'll know when I go out into the road, because the way I want that is I want the rear brake as powerful as the front brake. Now, Friday it's supposed to be around 50, so I'll take that out on Friday. Sorry to do that to you guys. I know it's nasty, but I'm real funny about my nose bleeding. I mean, I shouldn't be, because years ago, about 10, 12 years, it was probably about 12, maybe 13, maybe even 15 years ago, I was working in a personal care home on the night shift. And what had happened, here, let me elevate you guys so we look at my messed up ceiling here. Short story, what had happened is I was on the night shift and I started taking Tylenols like they were candy, along with sleeping pills. And what happened is I thinned my blood out. And this was in the summer too, it wasn't even in the winter. And my nose started bleeding actually out of both nostrils. It started bleeding real bad, or I had to go to the hospital. And they put these things, they're called rhino rockets, up there. And that stopped the nose from bleeding. Then I had to go to a nose specialist and get them cauterized. And that was bad. That was the worst nosebleed I had. I think I had a nosebleed for like a day. But that was because I thinned my blood out. I thinned it out real bad. I was taking like maybe anywhere from 8 to 12 Tylenols in a 16-hour period, and sleeping pills on top of that. So this is from the crack. I have a traumatized area in here where there's a crack. When it gets real dry, if I squeeze my nose, I can't even touch it. Just if I touch it real slightly, it'll start up. That's why I'm real conscious about it. Right now, I have regular mucus, thank God. So that has to be road tested. If I still have problems, if I still have soft rear brakes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that caliper off the back, and I'm going to get a rebuild kit for the caliper. I'm going to bleed the brakes again. Now, that's the only other thing I'd have done. What I'm going to also do too is I'm going to change the fluid in the front brake, because I think I have that Ravenol crap in the front brake as well. I think I do. So until then, and I'm working on my Max's ceremonial video I have for him. I'm starting to work on. I'm actually starting to come around where I'm going to be able to make a video of him.